So with dividing ratios and having amounts, this is the other sort of question they can ask us. Basically, it is the same technique as dividing a ratio and amount, but we have a slightly different kind of question. If you've not watched the video on dividing amounts in ratios, I'm going to use the same technique from that video. So if it isn't making sense, then you might want to pop back and have a look. So B has £35. How much does A have? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write out my ratio using these bars and boxes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there we go. A has 2 shares for B's 7 shares. 2 boxes to A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes for B. That's A, that's B. Now, it doesn't say there's £35 to go between A and B. It says the amount that the B person has is 35. So that £35 now is just getting put into these 7 boxes. So that means that there's £5 in each box. And the whole point of these boxes and these shares is that once you know how much one share is worth, then all the shares are worth the same amount. So A has 2 lots of 5, B has 7 lots of 5. So the question was, how much does A have? And the answer is £10. The other of the sort of 3 variants of this question you can have is this. We have the same ratio, 2 for A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for B. There's A, there's B, 2 shares for A, 7 shares for B. B has £50 more than A. So it's not telling us £50 gets split between these 7 boxes. It's not telling us £50 gets split between these 9 boxes. It's telling us £50 more than A. Well, A has got 2 shares, B has got 7 shares, so B has got 5 shares more than A. So that means that that £50 gets split between these 5 boxes. So that is £10 per box, or £10 per share. And now we could ask questions like, how much money is there in total? How much money does A have? It depends on the question, what they're asking there. The typical question would be, how much money does A have? And we'd say, well, A has £20. Or how much does A have and how much does B have in total? So A has £20, B has £70. Between them, they've got £90. Those are the 3 things they could usually ask.